So today we are going to be talking about integrating RB2B with your website. I'm going to walk you through the whole process of enabling RB2B to record your website visitors and how to enable Slack alerts. So let's go to RB2B. I've logged in here, as you can see. Gone to the script tag. I will first add my domain here. After adding my domain, I will go ahead and look at the script that I need to install. Here's the script. I copy it, and as you can see in my website, this script has been installed. Once this has been installed, you start getting the recordings of your website visitors into RB2B. The second step that we will do here is integrate Slack. I go to Slack here, integrate with Slack. Here's my workspace. I go ahead and select the channel where I want all the RB2B alerts coming in and allow this. So now I'll get all website visitor Slack alerts into this channel.